Hello. Today, we are going to be talking about the Lassa fever rodent. Lassa fever is caused by a virus named Lassa virus. The Lassa virus is named after Lassa town, which is situated in Borno State, Nigeria, where the virus was first discovered in 1969. Lassa fever is endemic in most parts of the West Africa sub-region, including Nigeria. It is responsible for yearly outbreaks in endemic countries, with estimated 300,000 to 500,000 cases, and 5,000 deaths reported annually within the West Africa sub-region. The reservoir or host of Lassa virus is a rodent known as the multimamate rat, belonging to the species called Mastomys natalensis. It is called the multimamate rat due to presence of multiple and prominent mammary glands on its undersurface. However, other rodent species, including Mastomys erythrolucus, Rattus rattus, which is the common house rat, and Mus metutoides, among others, have also been shown to carry the virus and may transmit it to humans. The multimamate rat are widely distributed in sub-Saharan Africa, but Lassa virus has not been found in rodents outside of West Africa. These rats breed frequently and can produce a large number of offspring. They can transmit the virus vertically to their offspring and horizontally to humans. Once infected, they are thought to excrete the virus in their urine for the rest of their lives. Rodent-to-human transmission of the Lassa virus occurs throughout the year in endemic countries. However, high exposure of humans to the Lassa fever rodent coincides with the time shortly after the start of the dry season. Human infection with the Lassa fever virus begins to increase by November, peaks by March and then troughs by June-July during the rainy season. The Lassa fever rodent are peri-domestic animals. They live in the bush, as well as around, and within human dwellings, where they scavenge on leftover human food items or poorly stored food. The habit of drying grains, rice or gari, by the roadside or improper storage of food within and around homes is a risk factor for infection. Exposed food becomes contaminated from the saliva, urine, or feces of an infected rodent. Contamination of food is not obvious to the naked eye. Humans are at risk of contracting Lassa fever if they ingest contaminated food, especially when taken raw. Lassa virus may also be contracted when rodents are hunted, trapped, or killed for food. Contact with infected secretions can lead to human infection. The Lassa fever rodents are sometimes consumed as a food source, and infection may occur when rodents are prepared. Uncontrolled bush burning may cause spread of the Lassa virus in human populations, as rodents flee from burning bush to human dwellings. Poor sanitation, poor waste disposal and poor housing also facilitate increased contact between rodents and humans. Rats are attracted to homes and settlements when waste and food remnants are left open outside the house and not disposed properly. They then gain access to homes via holes in buildings or when doors are always left open. To prevent contracting Lassa fever from rodents, always store your food in rat-proof containers and avoid keeping and drying food in the open. Avoid bush burning, especially around human settlements. Clean your environment always and avoid accumulation of waste outside your home. Dispose your waste far away from homes. Before disposal, package your waste in such a way that rats don't have access to them. Prevent rodents from entering your house by blocking all holes around your home, including holes that lead to your house ceiling. Avoid leaving your house doors open. Cats are helpful in keeping rats away from homes. Avoid handling or touching rats. If you must, use protective equipment, especially during preparation of bush meat. If your hands are contaminated with secretions from rodents, avoid touching your mucous membranes, including your mouth, eyes, and nostrils. Wash your hands with soap and water regularly, especially after handling rodents and before eating. Wash and cook your food properly and do not ingest unwashed and undercooked or raw food. Stay safe. Protect yourself and your family from the Lassa fever rodent.